I'm Kyle Loucks. I'm the CEO and founder of RollPros. We're based in Vancouver, Washington, and we're the only ones that are rolling joints at scale. We manufacture and sell the Blackbird, so it's a joint rolling machine. Like I said, it's the only one that actually rolls joints. And yeah, we support people that have high quality flower, high moisture content. The machine's really designed for fresh, sticky flower. So that's our mission, to help the flower thought leaders. Today we're showcasing the 2.0 unit. So we have some innovations. We're kind of never done. Like, that's my thing, is like we're always innovating. So we have some really cool innovations on the machine that we're showcasing here. Faster throughput, cleaner. We've got a vacuum system that's built in, so it runs, can run without an operator. And yeah, we're having fun showing all of our customers it. Yeah, so one of the biggest challenges that we see in the industry is making high quality pre-rolls at scale. A lot of the standard has been filling of cones, and a lot of times you have to dry out your material, pulverize it to get it to fill a cone, and you lose a lot of the benefits that the flower has at a well-cured moisture content. So that's our benefit that we bring, is it really brings a high quality flower in a consumable form factor to the consumer. Yeah, so next year we got a lot of innovations coming out. I'm not allowed to talk about all of them, but all I can say is bigger, more potent, flashier. So that's kind of the future for us. And yeah, next year it'll be pretty big. So some of the key points that we focus on is really making sure that the little guys, the craft cannabis growers, can step up to the plate and play against any of the big MSOs. Because I come from Pacific Northwest, big into micro beers, I'm big into coffee, like I'm big about the craft. And so that's really like one of my personal missions, is to grow all the craft growers and give them a product that they can put on all the shelves and grow their brand. Because that's my horse is in the race, the little guys. Our target audience is really the small to medium-sized operators, the ones that have really done the pheno hunts. They've got the great genetics, and they've got this premium flower, but they haven't really accessed the entirety of the market. And so that's our perfect customer, somebody that cares hugely about the flower. They don't want to hire an engineer. The machine's easy enough to run that you can just, take your trimmer that works on his car on the weekend and, put him in front of the machine, and you can make a mass quantity of joints. And we've seen great success in that model, and a lot of brands building brand loyalty with their consumers and just having great success. So that's our ideal customer. There's several benefits to the machine. We always start with quality. Like, that's the number one, is a quality product. But the labor benefits of the machine is what allows these small guys to get super efficient with their margins. And so, that's what we sell to the CFOs. It's like, it's an Excel spreadsheet. It's very easy to put together. And it's like, this machine pays for itself. And yeah, that's the easy case. And then it's like, but you get a higher quality joint, and that's where I'm passionate about. And so I always go down that rabbit hole first. What I'm seeing in the industry, which is really cool, is everybody's starting to work together more. So I've got some of my big customers talking to each other, and they're sharing machines. And it's great, because I feel like in the beginning, everybody was competitive and oh, this is my secret, I'm not going to share it with anyone. And now there's a lot more camaraderie, and I love it. I think it's it shows our industry is growing up, and that's awesome to see. So I love to see it. Yeah, you can find us on LinkedIn, our website, just rollpros.com. We've got demos. I do virtual demos still, so you can meet me. Like, come jump on a virtual demo, and I'll jump in front of a machine. Also, come out to Vancouver, Washington. Fly on out. Like, I'll show you the factory, take you fishing. Like, yeah. So come find us, and yeah, have a great show.